99% they support to me and collection report and given the report all of the person. Every person know my dear. Everything. There is hang people 50%, lakh people I will be talking. No one hesitates from my mind. As because all are ready. I am given this celebration for the view in our Assam. There is no any constitution other. We are living good brother and sister in our Assam. English corpus after time will be view koro. ইমান হয়েছে যে মই জীবনত ভবনে আৰু এনেকুৱা পৃথিৱীত এনেকুৱা হোৱা নাই যে 2-1 ঘণ্টাৰ পিছত এটা মানুহৰ এটা ওয়ার্ড মেম্বাৰৰ ইংলিশৰ কথাটো ইমান যে হৈছে পৃথিৱীত মানে বিৰল. It is a first time for the contact in the place in the world. Only one person, what member is talking English language. It is a very, very important for the modern age. BFS that is called Bachelor of Arts. BFS করেছো আর মোর ওয়ার্ডর যেখানে মানুষ 872 আছে 99% support to me as a candidate. There is no question for the another side. It is a simple question. 99% they support to me and collection report and given the report all of the person. 109 from the now is talking English language place gone. I will be record. Every person know my dear. Everything. There is hang people 50%, lakh people I will be talking. No one hesitates from my mind. As because all are ready. Prove that at the time. In the place of our middle was Gandhari Bara Chowk. This chowk is a very, very important 24 hours man is gathering, and we are do this place of market area. And every person like to me as a call in the Ravi Sastri. Every person knows to come down and do in the place. And there wanted to one time for the first time I am taking for the wanted a what member Gandhari Bara 2, and you are thinking that how many men gathering and prove that I am actually popular person as a fit candidate, actually a good person. That is the why. In from your life which already gone as it do not found any of the person who are given to the at a time. I eta what বহুখিনি সমস্যা থাকে রাস্তাঘাটের মেন সমস্যা আছে আজি আমার তেলের সঙ্গে বড় বিধান সমস্যা রহিমা আহমেদ রাস্তাখানি ক্লিয়ার করছে হুড় রাস্তা আছে এগুলা রাস্তা আমি ঠিক করি তাতে সামাজিক দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি কিছু লড়া ছিল ভালো আছে দুই খেতে লোক হাতটি অবদান মই করিম আমি মই আগৰ পৰা বহুত কৰি আছো মোৰ আর্থিক ইনশাআল্লাহ ভালোই আছে।